Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to manually add students to a course on system.io. This is particularly useful when you want to directly enroll someone into your course without requiring them to go through the standard purchase or sign-up process. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to system.io. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials to access your account dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your courses and student enrollments. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the upper right toolbar. Here you'll find several navigation options. Click on Assets, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Courses. This will take you to a page displaying all the courses you've created within your system.io account. Now browse through your course list and click on the specific course where you want to add a student. This action will open up the course management interface, giving you access to all the settings and options related to that particular course. However, there's an important detail to mention here. Since I'm currently using a free trial account, in order to add students manually, you must first upgrade to a premium account. This feature isn't available on the free tier, but I'll walk you through the next steps so you'll know exactly what to do once you've upgraded. Once you have a premium account and you're inside your course management page, look to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Plus Add Student. Go ahead and click on this button to begin the enrollment process. A form will appear asking you to fill in the student's information. Start by entering their first name in the designated field, followed by their last name and then their email address. Make sure all the information is accurate, as this is how the student will receive their course access details and any related communications. Next, you'll need to configure the access type for this student. Navigate to the section labeled Access Type and click on the drop-down menu directly below it. Here, you'll see several options to choose from, such as Full Access, which grants the student immediate access to all course content, Partial Access, which limits what they can see, or Drip Content, which releases course materials gradually over time according to a schedule you've set. Select the option that best fits your needs for this particular student. After you've selected the appropriate access type, review all the information you've entered to ensure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied, click the Save button to finalize the enrollment. The student will now be added to your course and should receive access according to the settings you've configured. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to manually add students to a course on system.io. This feature gives you direct control over who can access your courses and how they experience the content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.